A woman was chopped to death in Crooked River, Clarendon, and I can tell you that the scene was so gruesome that you could not even begin to imagine how someone could be so cruel towards a female. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we'll post new videos. And thanks for always being a part of the Links TV family. So during the publication of this report, a female who actually witnessed the whole entire event unfolding right in front of her eyes issued a statement in relation to the matter, and we're about now to share that with you as well. During the publication of this report as well, we have been reliably informed that the suspect in question turned himself into the police and was picked up by the Kingston and St. Andrew police, and he is expected to be charged in relation to the matter. But before all this, let me just bring back to you what a female resident had to say about the whole entire situation unfolding right in front of her eyes. Let's go over to that right now on our screen.
Me a treasure call out and I tell him say stop snake stop. You know hear me, you know have no heart. Alright now in there somewhere Sharon dead.
You ask her to buy him a drink. And she does. She buy him a drink.
She purchased drinks for him.
Yeah. And he must say you can't he must say thanks and he say you can't answer. And she a him, she not pay him no mind. And that's when he hide the cutlass behind the door. And that's when he jar out the door and start to chop. He just a chop.
You tell us say me cry. Me cry out for help. Me cry out for help and nobody to me rescue because nobody was here. And my cousin over there so we are called to him and we are telling him say stop snake stop. Why you chop out Sharon suffer and me a call to him. And he not stop. And when he finish chop her, he ma walk towards me and me have to run. And he just walk fast, go down the road. He not even run. He just walk fast and go in him car. When he go down the road, go tell somebody saying kill Sharon up the road. And I tell her me couldn't help her. Me I call her, me couldn't help her. Me couldn't do nothing. And we are trying to look something if it tire up in there and we say I say him chop up Sharon. One her hand her right hand they are ground chop off completely. Couldn't believe when I see.
She said they were just friends. But he might try to take the relationship too far and him tell her she tell him say me have me man already and me no want no man so we can just hang out. That's what all the time she had tell him.
I mean, I put up our people at my house to him same way, you know. We live in the same area around in which part of the so it's a big danger to the people them, you know. And you know countries a thing where it's a dark place, a man it's upside down you not even know. But I mean just get rid of you. It's serious, you know, man. Very, very serious.
But he me half tar already. Can go up her house and me hear say he in a bush and lay with her with the fork.
Is it the first time you seen the gentleman or you know?
No, me know him. Me know him.
Is he a community person?
Yeah. He just live for him down the road.
Well, there you have it. That was a female giving her account of what she witnessed unfolding right in front of her eyes. The 61-year-old Miss Sharon Cole. And I can tell her that it's one of those sad situations that we've looked into, and I can tell you that the individual in question right now is expected to be charged. So, according to reports, the situation took place in Crooked River in Clarendon, and it stated that this man wanted a relationship with this female, and he was turned down on numerous occasions as the female in question had a relationship with someone else. I'm not sure where this anger stemmed from. However, he inflicted several wounds across this female body and severing one of her hands, which was later taken to a nearby medical facility, and the woman could not survive based on the extent of her injuries, which is very sad. As I said before, the police stated that this individual is now in the custody. I've not received his actual name just yet, but if any information becomes available, I'll be sure to update you, the general public, on this one, and thus continue to just track this story for you. So what I want to talk about now is domestic dispute and how it is claiming the lives of our females. And this is just one in another after I came across some graphic, and when I say graphic, I mean terrible graphic images of a female hand severed from her body as she lay clutching $100 Jamaican bill in her hand. One of her hand was completely severed from her body. And this incident is said to have took place in Crooked River, Clarendon, and the police are currently on the scene processing. So a resident told our outlet that she is a 61-year-old individual of the community, and she was allegedly chopped by her estranged lover. And it is believed that this incident is stemming from a long-standing domestic dispute. It is not immediately clear whether the individual in question that carried out the vicious attack on the female is actually in the police custody right at this time. But residents believe that this could have been prevented only if the police would have arrested the individual after he physically abused the female just some months ago. Now, when we look on these situations that are happening across our country, it's very sad and it's very unfortunate to see what is really going on. So the female in this latest homicide has been identified as Sharon Cole of Crooked River in Clarendon, and she was reportedly chopped to death at a grocery shop by her estranged lover. The gruesome images show the deceased laying in a pool of blood with her left arm severed completely, clutching to $100 bill. This seemed as if she was on her way to the shop when she met her untimely passing. But it's still unclear where this is stemming from, as the residents in the community stated that they have been having issues in their relationship for some time. And in times such as these, when we see situation happening and when the situation is becoming physical, as stated by residents, as he would normally physically abuse her, not to the extent that he would resort to using a cutting tool in order to dismember her body. But the police are aware of the individual and they are so far carrying out their investigation just in order to see how best they can put closure to the case. But I can tell you, I've seen the actual images of the crime, and I can tell you that it's not a pretty sight. It's not something that no one would want to witness, especially in full view in front of their eyes unfolding. The images are so graphic that you have to have a strong heart just in order to look at them. And I can tell you, I can just imagine how the family of Sharon Cole of Crooked River in Clarendon are feeling at this very point in time. Very sad situation, very unfortunate as well. And it's one of those situations that we have looked into over and over again. And it's the space of domestic violence against female, which in most of the occasions, the female are the victims and they are the one losing their life to crime. But with that said, it's very sad and it's another unfortunate report to bring to you. But we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends of this female. And once more information becomes available to us, we'll try our very best to update you, the public. Thanks for watching. Peace out and bless.